Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shady Shay, and I'm back with another wig review from Unice Wigs. Let's get into it. So before we get into the install, y'all know I always want to show y'all everything that Unice was so kind enough to send over to me. So soon as I opened up this pink little duster bag, I noticed that they were so kind enough to send me over this pink cute robe that has Unice written on the back of it. It's real cute, silky and sexy, period. Don't play with them. And of course you have your duster bag that they send. So if you don't want to store your wig in the pink box that they send, you can put it in a duster bag. So they also sent me some more goodies. They sent me 2 wig caps, which I'm thankful for, even though I don't use them. They sent me an edge band, and they also sent me an actual wig cap. So I guess I can see how the constructions of their wigs are made, or in case I want to make me a wig of my own. I did think it was nice that they sent this to me. It shows you what normal knots look like compared to their bye-bye knots. And y'all know bye-bye knots is my favorite wig line that they have, because baby, you throw these wigs on and keep it moving. They also sent me an adjustable lace band, so in case you want to wear your wig glueless, you do have that option to do so. They also sent me 2 stickers, because period, and they sent me some press-on pink nails. Also, they sent me some eyelashes. Now, I actually wore these eyelashes in this video today, so I was like, okay, you nice with the lashes. Now let's get into the star of the show. They sent me 24-inch Yaki straight bye-bye knot wig. Baby, I love this wig. Can y'all tell in the intro? I thought I was too cute. Now, the construction of the wig, it comes with 1 comb in the back and then 2 adjustable bands in the back as well. And you can add that strap on as well to make it glueless. So we're not going to talk about the way that my braids look in my head, because baby, I tried to braid my hair with my nails and I don't know how to do that with nails. So that was the outcome, okay? But this is not about my braids. This is about the wig. So you don't need that much makeup like I did, because girl, I know I was wrong for that. But anywho, you want to get you some face powder that's your shade, and you want to tint the lace. That's going to help the wig look as natural as possible. You really don't have to do much with these bye-bye knot wigs, because the knots are already seamless. But, you know, just to kind of, you know, make it look a little bit more realistic, go ahead and add that little powder onto it. And once you add the powder, this is what it should look like on your scalp. Seamless, flawless, look like the hair grew out your scalp. So I went ahead and put the wig on. I'm too embarrassed by them braids. They look a hot mess, child, but it is what it is. We're not here for my regular hair. We're here for the wig, period. So once I got the wig on, y'all, I was confused, because I'm like, dang, why is the wig sticking up like that? It took me a minute to realize, girl, you need to adjust your band and make the wig tight. Now, for the ones who are new here, I am not a hairstylist. I don't know nothing about wigs. So, you know, we're learning as we go. Okay, so please don't judge me. And if you would like to give me tips in the comment section, I greatly appreciate it. So I went ahead and took the wig off. I went ahead and adjusted the wig, made it a little tighter, and then I put it on, and it looks a little better. But I did notice that I couldn't get the sides to match up with my hairline. So this hairline on this wig doesn't quite match my head. I don't know if I got the wig too small or what, or maybe this is how it's supposed to be. But y'all will see what I'm talking about in just a second. But it looks good. So I went in with my Cura Care wax stick, and I went ahead and put a little wax on around that part, because I be seeing the girls do this, and they be getting a little hot comb, and they be making the hair flat. Because normally I just be throwing these wigs on, and I just be keeping it pushing, because it be looking good to me. But I got the, you know, studying some of the wig girlies, and I was like, okay, you know what? They be actually styling these wigs, so I'm gonna try. So I went ahead and got my little hot comb, and y'all see me trying to flat out my little part so it don't look like a little helmet head. I want it to look good, trying to look good for my man, period. So y'all actually see, you can see right now the wig is kind of sliding back from my hairline. So I'm like, okay, this wig is cut differently from all the other wigs that I've received. So what I think is that this wig is made for, I think it's for anybody, but if you have a widow's peak, I think this would be the perfect wig for you. So I'm like, you know what, instead of me wearing this glueless, I'm gonna glue this down. So that's what I did. So I went in with my Eben's Wonder Bun spray, and I just pretty much sprayed this front little row. I don't know if this is how you supposed to do it or not, y'all. I'm just winging it, okay? But this is what I was talking about when I say like the size of the wig doesn't match my natural hairline. Y'all see how much of my real hair that's still showing on the sides? But like, I have the wig on correctly, like the back of my nape area, it fits good. It's not enough on the sides, and that's why I feel like this wig is perfect for somebody with a widow peak. But I wasn't gonna let this stop the show, because baby, this hair is too good. So I'm like, you know what, let me figure this out, because yeah, it needs to be figured out. So I went ahead and, against my better judgment, I went ahead and sprayed that little Eben spray right there on them sides. I didn't want to, because my edges is already thinning, but I had to make this wig look good, like, because whenever I just tried to wear the hair down without putting glue right there or the adhesive spray right there, it just looked funny, and I don't want to look funny. I told you I'm trying to look good for my man, so we can't be looking funny. So I just did like a little spray, not a lot, just a little bit, and yeah, y'all see. So I allowed that adhesive spray to sit for about 45 seconds, and then I went in with my edge band that Unice sent over to me, because I was too thirsty to use it. Because look at me, I look like I know what I'm doing and don't, but it looked like I do, so that's all that matters, period. So now we're gonna move forward to me actually flat ironing the hair. So like I told y'all, this is 24-inch Yaki straight hair. So this is not no silky straight hair. This has texture, which I like that, because baby, period, match our hair texture, Unice. I love that. So I went in with the flat iron, and I showed y'all a little bit of how the hair flat irons. Y'all, it literally gets so silky straight. Like, I tried to get it as silky as possible, but it did really, really good. Like, it seemed like the more I flat ironed it, the softer the hair became, and it was already soft from the beginning. Like, look at that, period. Love it. So we're gonna go ahead and fast forward to me flat ironing the whole head, because we ain't got time to sit here and watch me do that. So this is what it looked. Now it's time to reveal what those edges look like. Y'all, I was so nervous. Like, what? That looks like scalp. You can't lie. It looks like scalp. So what I did was take a comb, and I went ahead and combed up a little of that adhesive, because it kind of got on the hairline, because you know I sprayed it directly on the wig. Don't know if I'm supposed to do that or not, but it don't matter. And now you can kind of see like my edges. Like, you know, you can still see where my hair was at. And I didn't like that. I didn't like that. So I was like, you know what? We're gonna have to do baby hairs. I didn't want to do it because I don't know what the heck I'm doing when it comes to those, but there was no way around it. Like I told y'all, I'm trying to look good, so the baby hairs, I had to do it. Okay, had a little mini heart attack. Y'all, that was me cutting the baby hairs. I was so nervous, y'all. Oh god, and I had every right to be, because what? Baby, y'all finna watch me struggle. But I went in with mousse to style the baby hairs. Woo, child, I'm gonna cut a lot of this out, because, child, if I don't, y'all will be here for another 20 minutes watching me do this one little side. It was a struggle, honey. It was a struggle. So when I finally got a swoop that I thought was decent enough, I just stuck with it, because I wasn't finna sit there for another 30 minutes playing with this. It just wasn't gonna happen. So bam. This is it. This is the final swoop we got. Yeah, it's real thick and big, but it's okay. It's not touching my eyebrow, and that's all that matters, because y'all like to talk about the girls who swoops touch their eyebrow. Mine is not touching the eyebrow. It's almost there, but it ain't touching it. So y'all be nice in the comment section. And we're gonna go ahead and move on. Alright guys, so this pretty much wraps up this look. I'm literally just playing with this hot comb at this point, because, child, I don't know what I'm doing, but I think I'm cute. That's all that matters. So I do want to thank Unice for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love this hair. It is Bum, okay? Bum. This is my first time reviewing some straight hair for them, and I have to say, baby, y'all are killing it with this bye bye not wig game. Like, love it. So any discount codes, any coupons that I may have for this hair, I will leave it in the description box below. And until next time, guys, bye. Oh, look at me, y'all. I look cute. Don't play with it. And y'all, I'm a beginner. I don't even know how to do hair, and look how good I did with my big baby hairs. Don't play with me.